The Derma Skin Scrubber Pen is the newest generation of microdermabrasion. This component won't cause redness and doesn't require any downtime. It offers retexturizing results using safe and gentle ultrasound vibration. It also provides an intense micro-massage to heat the skin tissue which, in turn, stimulates blood flow. The skin scrubber also helps aid in the penetration of skincare products into the deeper levels of skin tissue, accelerating blood circulation and strengthening skin tissue metabolism. The end result? A reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. There are 3 working modes: 1 press indicates cleansing mode, the double press goes with a moisturizing mode, and triple press indicates lifting mode. When using for the first time, please charge it at least for 5 hours. Then, only 3 hours are needed for the following charging. It can keep using for 2 hours after fully charged. Keep using 2 to 3 times 1 week makes you become more beautiful. It works better together with skincare products such as deep cleansing oil, cleaning foam, toner, massage cream, essential oil, essence cream. If you're searching for a multifunctional device that can be used for deep cleansing, soft peeling, extractions, exfoliation, massage, product penetration and even fine lines or wrinkle prevention, the Derma Skin Scrubber Pen is the perfect choice for you. You can get the product through the link in the description. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.